It's easy to defrost and defog the interior of your Mazda 3 using the state-of-the-art climate control technology. If you notice frost buildup, simply press the windshield defroster button on your dashboard. This automatically turns on the outside air conditioner. Set the air temperature control to hot or warm to defrost and defog your front and side windows. You also have a separate rear window defogger switch that, when pressed, will automatically defrost and defog your rear window quickly. You can use the temperature control dial to increase airflow for faster defrosting. A few things to note. Do not set temperature control to cold, as this will cause the outside of your windshield to fog up. Make sure your interior temperature and sunlight sensors are not covered so they adjust the temperature accurately. For more information about interior climate control, please see your owner's manual.